Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful electric blue 2016 Honda Civic EX sedan with Honda Sense. So it comes with all the latest safety features that Honda or really any car manufacturer can offer. How you know it's Honda Sense is you can see this little sensor right here, and that detects by milliwave any radar collision in front. And it has lane keep assist, it has front crash warning, it has adaptive cruise control. So it's all done through those sensors and cameras in the front. It's all powered by the 2.0 naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, Earth Dreams with I-VTEC. So this is the one of two options of engine for the Civic. You can get the 2.0, you can get the 1.5 turbo. I mean, they also have the 2.0 turbo, but that's a Type R Civic, totally different vehicle, and was made in 2017. But this one comes with the 2.0 with the CVT transmission, so your fuel economy is going to be well above 30 miles per gallon on the highway. As you can see, it has this nifty camera here in the passenger side mirror, so you can see in your blind spot, and you can activate that with the stock on the turn signal switch. So either you turn the turn signal on and it activates, or you can override it and push a button at the end and activate that camera. So it comes with new Goodyear tires all the way around. It also has 4-wheel disc brakes. Then it has the nice upgraded EX wheels, and these are 16-inch alloy wheels. Got the new blade style, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Black interior on this one, smoke and pet free. Looks absolutely stunning on the inside. So it comes with a nice clean dashboard, the original owner's manual, all the touchscreen stereo, climate controls, and it also has the CVT transmission, brake hold button. It also has an electric parking brake and an active econ mode. So everything is properly working. It's got power windows, locks, and mirrors. Coming into the back seat, we got a nice spacious back seat here. Center console fold-down armrests with dual cup holders. Looks very nice down the side of the vehicle. It also comes with a all-weather trunk mat, and then underneath is the tires, tools, and jack. And then we have split fold 60/40 rear seats, rear backup camera on this one. And then we got a sunroof. So plenty of options for the Civic. Dual automatic up and down windows for the driver and passenger front. Also get our power locks and mirrors. And then on our steering wheel, we get a multi-function steering wheel to include a touch volume control, the Bluetooth, the stereo, the cruise control, and then our lane mitigation, as well as front crash. And then you can turn that off here on that button. And then you also have the lane keep assist that you can turn on or off down there at the bottom. So it's a push to start car, so you push to start, everything fires right up. And then, so we get a Honda Link and we get Honda Sense, that's their safety. And so as you can see here, it's all touchscreen, the rear backup camera, and you get apps, you get the stereo system, you get all that good stuff. And top we got our one-touch sunroof. Open and close. Our camera is up in that black box there for the front crash camera. And then we get dual illuminated vanity mirrors, 133,000 original miles, and one excellent turnkey vehicle. So if you want to get one of the safest, most beautiful Civics out there on the market, look no further than this beautiful 2016 Honda Civic EX sedan. You can find this gorgeous Civic exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.